Is your biofilter performing optimally? It's not always easy to tell if there's a problem, especially if yours is a large multi-bed operation. GES Biotek's comprehensive performance verification testing will determine if your system is meeting all performance standards. GES Biotek tests all aspects of your biofilter, including airflow, humidification, and irrigation systems. Analytical sampling of hydrogen sulfide is conducted at inlets and outlets to determine the media bed's effectiveness. Ammonia and amine sampling and testing can be conducted if the application warrants. A performance test report containing all test results will be provided within 30 days of completion. If your system is not performing to spec, GES Biotek will find the problem and craft a solution that will return your system to optimal efficiency. Comprehensive performance testing can return an under-functioning biofilter to peak performance and efficiency. Unlock your biofilter's full potential. Contact GES Biotek today to learn how our performance verification services can benefit your project.